This is a 3-hole yarn foot with IDF. It comes with a little threader to thread your yarn and the foot. The foot has got 3 holes in it, which we're going to thread the yarn through. It's a 3-hole yarn foot with IDF, so you can use your IDF system on it as well on the Epic 2s. So let's thread the foot. So we're going to take the first yarn and we're going to place it through the needle threader. So just hook the yarn through so that it's through the needle threader, through the little nylon loop on the needle threader. And then from the top, we're going to put the needle threader down through the hole and we're going to pull it through underneath. So just pull it through until you've got your yarn underneath, and then you can just pull it back a little bit so that it's threaded through. And we're going to do the other two exactly the same. So when you've threaded your 3 yarns through the 3 holes, we're going to place the foot onto the machine and we're going to engage the IDF at the back. You're going to place the short end of your yarn to the back and bring the longer ends to the front. And then you're going to put underneath your piece of fabric. I'll put a piece of stitch and tear underneath it just to give it a bit of stability. Place it underneath and then we can select the stitch. On your machine, go to the specialty stitch menu, and in there you have got some special stitches for using with a 3-hole cord foot. So stitches 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 are all designed to be used with this 3-hole cord foot. If you're not sure, you can just press the question mark at the top of the screen and select the stitch, and it will tell you it's for the 3-hole yarn foot. So we're going to select the stitch and then we'll stitch it out. Just gently hold the yarns at the front and start to stitch, and the stitch will stitch across the yarns, couching them onto the fabric. Just take your time, don't go too fast. I'll just select another stitch so that you can see another stitch. I'll just change the stitch. I'll just stop for a moment to show you. Just cut the thread. Take it out, and you can see that it's couched the yarn onto the fabric, so you can get some really nice braid effects. You can see the 2 different stitches, and you can get some really nice effects for embellishment.